engagement, while also acting as role models for responsible citizenship. They should empower students to participate in decision making and encourage them to take ownership of their learning and school environment.
Teachers act as facilitators and maintainers, guiding students through the process of self-governance rather than dictating discussions.
The full form of the teacher: T for talented, E for educated, A for adorable, C for charming, H for helpful, E for encouraging, R for responsible. Now I would like to invite our 9th and 10th principal K. Karthik Kumar sir onto the dais. Primary principal K. Anita madam, please come onto the dais. Sixth, seventh, eighth principal has enlightened minds with their vast knowledge and wisdom. Their substantial contributions to the field of principal have left an indelible mark, enlightening and inspiring countless individuals. Now let me welcome Vaishnavi madam onto the dais. Please welcome her with a big round of applause. Indeed, the principal will provide us with a fresh perspective and inspire us all to strive for excellence. I would like to invite Hansika madam onto the dais. Now I am very pleasure to invite the person who supervises academic and administrative inspection of institutions, acts as a liaison officer, sanctions scholarships and reviews academic progress, while also handling personal matters and attending to administrative tasks within the designated region. Join me in welcoming our RJD Regional Joint Director Rimsha Hani madam onto the dais. Join me in welcoming our Let us invite the